The first idea begins with a truth supported by decades of scientific research from the National Institute on Aging in the United States. After the age of 60, adults naturally lose muscle at a faster rate unless they introduce targeted strength activities into their routine. This age-related loss, known as sarcopenia, has been documented by researchers at Harvard Medical School who explain that walking alone, while beneficial for heart and lung health, does not provide enough directed resistance to stimulate muscle growth or prevent the steady weakening of the lower body. That is why doctors and physiotherapists at institutions like Mayo Clinic and Johns Hopkins University increasingly recommend wall exercises as a superior form of leg strengthening for older adults, because these movements activate deeper muscle fibers that walking rarely challenges. Research from the University of California, San Francisco shows that isometric and semi-symmetric exercises such as wall sits apply continuous tension to the quadriceps, hamstrings, and gluteal muscles, helping older adults maintain muscle mass more effectively than low-intensity activities. In walking, the muscles engage in a repetitive and predictable manner. But in exercises where the body must hold or control a position against gravity, the muscle fibers are forced to work harder, increasing both strength and endurance. This is why the American College of Sports Medicine has repeatedly highlighted that adults over 60 gain greater leg strength from resistance-based movements than from aerobic activities alone. Their studies demonstrate that even small doses of controlled resistance training lead to measurable improvements in balance, coordination, and power. The wall plays a crucial role in making these exercises safe and accessible. According to physical therapists at Cleveland Clinic, one of the biggest challenges older adults face is maintaining balance during exercise. The wall provides stability, allowing seniors to focus on proper muscle engagement without the fear of falling. At the same time, the wall allows for a form of resistance that does not overload the joints. Studies from the University of Birmingham in the UK show that low impact strength exercises supported by a wall reduce stress on the knees and hips, making them an ideal choice for individuals with osteoarthritis or joint sensitivity. This is important because walking, especially on uneven surfaces, can sometimes aggravate knee pain in adults over 60. Doctors at the University of Michigan explain that another benefit of wall exercises is that they stimulate neuromuscular pathways that tend to weaken with age. Neuromuscular training helps the brain communicate more efficiently with the muscles, improving reaction time, stability, and the ability to move with confidence. Many falls happen not because the legs are weak, but because the muscles react a fraction of a second too slowly. By performing controlled wall movements, such as wall marches or single-leg wall holds, older adults retrain their bodies to respond faster. Neuroscientists at the University of Wisconsin confirm that these types of exercises enhance motor control and proprioception, which are the body's internal systems for balance and spatial awareness. Another major advantage is that wall exercises can be customized to any fitness level. The Mayo Clinic's rehabilitation programs emphasize that one of the safest ways to build strength in older adults is through progressive loading. Starting with small durations and slowly increasing intensity, a person may begin with a simple 10-second wall sit, but over time, they can extend the duration, deepen the bend in their knees, or move to single-leg variations. These progressions are supported by findings from King's College London, where researchers discovered that gradual strength challenges yield better long-term mobility improvements than repeating the same low-intensity activity every day. In addition to muscle strengthening, wall exercises help improve circulation and joint lubrication. Studies from the University of Southern California show that controlled muscle contractions enhance blood flow to the lower extremities, supporting the health of tendons, ligaments, and the synovial fluid that cushions the joints. Walking improves circulation too, but because it is repetitive, it does not mobilize all the joints as effectively as controlled wall-based movements. For example, wall calf raises target the ankle joint and the muscles responsible for stabilizing gait, something that regular walking does not directly strengthen. Physiotherapists at the UK's National Health Service, NHS, frequently prescribe this type of exercise to older adults who experience ankle stiffness or instability. Another key element supported by research at Stanford University is the psychological effect of strength-based exercises. When older adults feel their legs getting stronger, their confidence increases, and this improves overall activity levels. Many seniors begin to walk more, climb stairs more easily, and engage in daily activities with less hesitation, simply because targeted exercises make them feel more capable. This boost in self-efficacy is scientifically linked to better long-term health outcomes, according to studies from the University of Pennsylvania, which show that confident movement reduces the likelihood of falls and increases engagement in healthy behaviors. Wall exercises also strengthen muscles that walking barely engages, including the hip abductors and gluteus medius. These muscles are essential for stabilizing the pelvis, particularly during side-to-side movements. Researchers at the University of Florida explain that weakness in these muscles is one of the main reasons older adults develop a shuffling gait or struggle to maintain balance when stepping sideways. By performing exercises like wall side steps or lateral wall slides, seniors activate these neglected muscles, improving overall stability and leg alignment. Finally, experts at Duke University emphasize that the combination of safety, resistance, muscle activation, and adaptability makes wall exercises one of the most efficient and medically supported ways for adults over 60 to maintain leg strength, preserve independence, and remain physically capable as they age.